Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will play with the palette knife a little bit with swiping. I have all my colors mixed with Ovatrol, Floetrol, and for the base I added a little bit of Decard satin enamel to the white mix, and my paints are kind of on the thick side. Leaves amount. And I have olive green light, olive green deep, this little piggy pregnite, this little piggy pigments, blah, blah, blah. Cinnamon, I have titanium buff light, I believe. Yep. And I have this sea gray, and I have grayish blue, I have Prussian blue, some pearl white and black for the swiping. So I will add this white here where I will do most of my swiping for the beginning of the pour. I don't know where my intuition will lead me to. I definitely want some negative space, so I don't know. I always tend to do some kind of a landscapey look, so yeah, we will go with this today again. So I will add some of this olive green deep here and some prenite, I don't know the word. Some olive green for kind of a and here I will add this titanium buff. I will add some pearl white. And some of that cinnamon. Sea green, Russian blue, this grayish blue, add some pearl white here too. Maybe a little more of this Prussian. I think that this will do. And I will add black on my palette knife to swipe with. Okie doke, so let's see if anything will happen. definitely will. Yay! Happy with this look for now. I will add more black. Let's go a little to this side. See those cells here? They're just a little weird. I'm kind of tempted to bring some hair dryer out and blow this top part a little bit. Maybe I should have done this before, but not quite happy with the results, so we can still pour over, but let's try. Like this much more. Got this top part with those kind of cloudy look. I like it. I just have to do something with this part. I hope that I will not ruin everything. But today is that day that everything goes wrong, so I just play with it some more. So here she is dry. After the accident, I don't know what I didn't show, what you didn't saw, because my camera fell down and the other one didn't work. I don't know, they are old. Yeah. But I'm happy with the final result. I like the sky a lot. There is so many beautiful details. And I like this part with the green. And I'm happy with the bottom part too. So yeah. I love this look. There are not a lot of cells. It looks almost like it would be drawn with the brush. So yeah, I like it. So you see, after a bad thing, something nice came out anyway. So yeah, happy with it. Tell me what you think about it, and thanks for being here. See you again on the next one. Bye.